Hello friends, welcome to my channel Women's Storybook. Today I bring a new recipe butter chicken, which is very classic Indian restaurant style recipe and is one of the most popular chicken dishes in India. So let's get started. I have taken 400 grams of boneless chicken pieces and I am going to marinate it with few ingredients, starting with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix everything together. Marination is ready. Keep it for 30 minutes. After marinating, we will make a paste of 1 tomato, 2 medium-sized onion, 10 to 15 cashew nuts, 3 garlic and 4 chilies. Here is the paste. Take a flat pan, heat it with 2 tablespoons of butter. Now fry the marinated chicken. Fry it for 5 to 6 minutes on a high flame. Now turn the other side and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now chickens are all fried and we are keeping the fried chicken in a separate container. Now it's the time for making the gravy. For this we are taking 1 tablespoon of white oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix them. Now add the paste. And cook it until the raw smell goes. Cover the pan and allow it to cook. It's almost done. Now we are going to add the spices. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Saute it well. Add some water and mix it. Now, cover the pan and allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now, we are adding salt to taste. Half teaspoon of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Mix it well. Cover the pan and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Now add the fried chicken. Mix the chicken with the gravy. It's properly mixed up. Now cover the pan and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's almost done. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix it well. And last, coriander leaves. Mix it. Cover the pan and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's fully done. Here is your butter chicken that you can serve immediately with roti or naan, even with pulao. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.